Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a flight in the Ryanair app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Ryanair app and you can see it already in the middle, the book a flight button. You tap on it. Here you can choose if you would like to buy a one-way ticket or you would like to return too. Let's choose the return. Here you can choose from where are you going and to select to where would you like to go. Let's choose Italy, Bologna. You have to select the fly out and the fly back dates. You tap on it and you select the date. Let's go on 19 till 28. Tap on let's go. You have to select the passengers. I'm going with 1. And you tap on let's go. Here you will have your ticket. You have to tap on your ticket, and here you will have a lot of options that you are going with one small bag only, or you can choose the biggest packet with a lot of extras through your flight, but I'm going with just one small bag. Here is your return ticket. You tap on it. You do the same as before. Here you have to write your own name, and you tap on continue. Here you can choose between to pick these seats what the Ryanair app choosing you, or you can choose your own seats where you would like to sit, but I'm going with this one. You can add fast track, or if you would like to not, then tap on no thanks. Here you can add some priority or 2 cabin bags, or you can go with the one small bag only. Tap on continue. I'm fine with one small bag only, and here you tap pay now. If you added your card, you can tap on pay now and you will have your ticket. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.